In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove free shipping in Shopify. If you've ever had customers checking out with free shipping when you didn't intend it, or you simply want to start charging for shipping, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to change inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look down to the lower left corner. You'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new page with a menu on the left-hand side that controls different parts of your store. From that left menu, look for Shipping and Delivery. Click on Shipping and Delivery to open your shipping settings. This is where Shopify manages how shipping is calculated for your customers. At the top of this page, you'll see a section or card labeled General Shipping Rates, or something similar referring to your main shipping profile. This profile controls the default shipping rules for your store. Click on that section to open your shipping profile. Inside the shipping profile, scroll down until you see your shipping zones. Shipping zones are basically groups of countries or regions that share the same shipping rules. For example, you might have one zone for domestic orders and another for international orders. Take a moment to identify which zone you want to change. Within the correct shipping zone, look through the list of shipping rates until you find the one that shows as free. This is the rate that's currently offering free shipping. On the right side of that rate, you'll see a button with 3 horizontal dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. You now have 2 ways to remove free shipping. The first option is to edit the rate. Click Edit Rate and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can change the price from 0 to whatever shipping fee you'd like to charge. Once you've entered a non-zero amount, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. The second option is to delete the free shipping rate entirely. To do this, click the 3 dots again and choose Delete. Shopify may ask you to confirm that you want to remove this rate. Confirm the deletion if you're sure you no longer want that free option available. When you've finished editing or deleting the free rate, make sure you save your changes. Look toward the top of the page, near the search bar, and click the Save button. Once saved, your store will no longer offer that free shipping rate at checkout.